Hi, today we're making panettone, easy recipe. For easy no-knead panettone, I will need 450 grams of flour, 3 eggs, 110 grams of very soft butter, pinch of salt, 7 grams of yeast, 120 grams of sugar. I will need 140 grams of raisins and sultanas, splash of vanilla, zest of 1 orange, zest of 1 lemon, 3/4 cup of water, 1 tablespoon or 10 grams of rum or brandy. I'm using brandy. First, I will make aromatic mixture. For aromatic mixture, I need brandy, zest of lemon and orange. Let's start with zest orange. I finish with orange. Now lemon. Finish with lemon. Orange zest and lemon zest I'm putting in a brandy. Splash of vanilla. I'm using vanilla extract. Teaspoon. Cover. Now for the dough. 450 grams of flour. I'm using plain flour. Pinch of salt. One 120 grams of sugar. 2 teaspoons of dry instant yeast. Three eggs. I will beat them. And we'll add into the water. And the butter. My butter is very soft. Now, aromatic mixture. Need to incorporate all flour. Dough is very sticky. Now adding raisins and sultanas. Cover with cling wrap. And leave on the countertop. After 30 minutes, we're going to stretch dough and fold. And we will repeat this every 30 minutes. We need to do this 4 times. After 30 minutes, first fold. Dough has risen slightly. I prepared water. I will wet my hand and stretch and fold. And for another 30 minutes, after 30 minutes, we'll fold and stretch, stretch and fold again. Clean wrap back on the top. For another 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, making second fold. Do risen slightly. Cover with cling wrap. And for another 30 minutes. Fold number 3. Dough has risen nicely. And dough stretching quite nicely. cling wrap on the top. For another 30 minutes. Last fourth fold. Do raisin very well. I'm putting some oil on my hands. A little bit of oil on the top, on the counter. I made sides of baking paper double and higher up because panettone will rise, and when it will rise, that it wouldn't flop over. I will cover with cling wrap and panettone going in the fridge overnight. In the fridge it will rise. Panettone have been in the fridge overnight. I put panettone in the fridge at lunchtime, so it's been in the fridge for 20 hours. Panettone doubled in size. After fridge, it must stay covered on the countertop for, it depends how hot room, half an hour, an hour. It must be room temperature. And after, it will go in the oven. Panettone is ready. Go into the oven. My oven already preheated to 170 degrees Celsius. It will bake for 50 minutes. Halfway through, I will put tin foil on the top because top will brown. Panettone have been in the oven for 1 hour. Bake through. Half through the baking, I covered with tin foil. Now it must cool down. I will leave in the mold for 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes, and after I will remove panettone from the mold. Panettone cooled overnight. Let's take paper off. Lovely. Beautiful. Mm, very nice. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to put like.